I was in the chicken shop with my friends and this guy starts hitting on my mate. She's not into it, so we're all just casual about it, giving him a smile that's like, yeah, but no. Like, good one, have a good night, mate. But he keeps on going. He's saying, what, you're too good for me? You don't want to talk to me? Why not? So my mate just has to tell him that she's got a boyfriend, but he keeps on going. So I had to step in and be really blunt and just be like, look, she's not into you, and asked him to stop. But he got proper aggressive, so we just had to leave.
But I mean, I know it's weird that we kind of lied to him about having a boyfriend, but like, I suppose it was just us trying to be polite.
No, not really, no.
No, it's not just that. It's the fact that we've got to manage the situation. If you say no straight up, it'll escalate and the guy will go from hitting on you to shouting at you to calling you a slag and a bitch, maybe even following you or whatever. I've experienced it so many times before and it always falls on us to deal with it.
Yeah.
And what gets me though is, why is it always us that has to manage the situation by saying we're married or we've got boyfriends? Why did none of his friends say anything? Or anyone else in the chicken shop for that matter? And why couldn't he just see that he was making us uncomfortable and just stop? It's bullshit.